and the faculties of this institution. A teacher-student relationship is like a game of chess. One move can change everything. By saying this, let me introduce a person who's teaching 2 decades. Yes, he heard it right. He is a person who is teaching for more than 20 years in the same institution. I can proudly say that he is my guru and I am his pupil. This person had a vision. It says, money should not be an obstacle in the path of achieving one's dream. You got to know to whom I am talking about. He is none other than man of the hour, living legend, master of this institution, Chandy sir. One incident I would like to share with you all that there was a competition related to Kempe Gowda. There I went for quiz competition, that too in Kannada. There, due to some reasons, the competition was cancelled, only the function was held. There, as far as my headmaster concerned, he asked me to give a speech on that day. I am the one who not had prepared anything. Within 15 minutes, I prepared everything and gave a wonderful speech. That shows a guru's and the student relationship, that every student and child of this institution must present to their gurus. And talking about our former teacher, Lakshmi ma'am, who taught us mathematics from 7th to 9th. She is our class teacher when we entered this new campus, and when we entered 10th standard, she had left the school. I can truly say that she is the one who always stood by my side. Thank you, ma'am, for always motivating me, not only in studies but also in my life. Thank you, ma'am. Man made grammar, but grammar made maths man. A person who is teaching me since 4 years, he is the person to whom I recognize as the grammatical king, YouTuber. He is our class teacher at present. He is none other than Nazir sir. I took a lot more help from him for hosting farewell party for our seniors just 1 year ago. And the major thing he used to tell us that do not worry about the delay of your success, because construction of palace takes more time than an ordinary building. Thank you, sir, for being such a great motivator for me. And then, a person who studied here in this institution and later on he began to teach us as a science teacher. He is the person to whom I recognize as the Einstein of Kumareshwar. The title is completely suitable for him. He is none other than Praveen sir. Whatever the personality, behavior and the perspective that I am having at present, he is the major reason for that. Due to his prominence present, I got first place in national level Chetana exam, which was conducted by Chitradurga. Next, talking about Bandivada sir, who is so kind-hearted person. He began to teach us Hindi from 7th to 10th standard. The best point and the best advice that I have learned from him till today, that is the respect. Respect people's time if you want your time to be respected. Thank you, sir, for being a great motivator for me. And then talking about Shura sir, he is the person who is so silent but filled with knowledge. He is the person who always used to tell us one thing, that to be a better and the best version of ourselves. And he used to tell us one thing, that without consistency you can't achieve anything in your life. And he used to tell us one thing, that also we do not need a perfect condition to start anything. Rather, We should take the time as the perfect and then we have to begin to start the journey. Before him, Basu sir used to teach us social science. Because of his knowledge, he got government appointment. In his place, his own friend, Shura sir, took that mighty responsibility and he began to teach us social science. Thank you, sir, for such a great motivator and being encourager for me. Then talking about Hina ma'am, I turned her as my sister because she always stood by my side and she always guided a path whenever I am going in the wrong mode. Thank you ma'am for such a great motivator. I can tell you one thing that she is the one who always bestowed with the best knowledge whatever she had got and she acquired from the basics. Thank you ma'am for being such a great motivator for me. Sports is essential in the human development. I can tell you that when he is silent, everyone becomes violent. But when he becomes violent, everyone must be silent. That is not much better than whom? Kohli sir. First of all, I express my great gratitude, sir. He is the person to whom I recognized as my friend because he used to be as a friend, not a teacher. From him I learned a lot of skills in kabaddi and kho and all and I participated it. He used to tell us one thing that winning or getting prestige is secondary but participating in the sports plays an essential part in the human. And talking about friends, school without friends is like a tree without leaves. It's my 13 years of long journey with them. With them, I have made wonderful memories which are unforgettable till now that always lingers in my mind. Now, I thank each and every teaching staff and non-teaching staff of this Kumareshwar family and now, I would like to challenge you that this year, that is 2024 and 25, the history gonna be repeat again. Sorry, I took more time. I thank each and every person of this institution who have given me such a great opportunity to speak right in front of you all. Thank you one and all.